Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. Also, remember that this video reflects my personal experience using the product. In this video, we're taking a look at Revestor.com. This platform offers a unique approach to real estate investing, providing tools and resources for both seasoned investors and those just starting out. Revestor aims to simplify the often complex world of property investment by offering a centralized hub for research, analysis, and connection with other investors. Whether you're interested in flipping houses, long-term rentals, or other investment strategies, Revestor claims to provide the insights and support you need. One of the key features highlighted on Revestor.com is its comprehensive data on property values, rental rates, and market trends. This data is intended to empower investors to make informed decisions based on accurate and up-to-date information. The platform also boasts a range of analytical tools designed to help users evaluate potential investments and identify profitable opportunities. From calculating potential ROI to assessing neighborhood demographics, Revestor seeks to streamline the due diligence process. Beyond data and analytics, Revestor emphasizes community and networking. The platform provides a space for investors to connect with each other, share insights, and collaborate on projects. This collaborative environment can be particularly valuable for newer investors seeking guidance and mentorship from more experienced professionals. Revestor positions itself as a valuable resource for building connections and expanding your network within the real estate investment community. Furthermore, Revestor.com offers educational resources and training materials to help investors enhance their knowledge and skills. These resources may include articles, webinars, and other content covering various aspects of real estate investing, from property management to legal considerations. The platform's commitment to education underscores its aim to support investors at every stage of their journey. Overall, Revestor.com presents itself as a comprehensive platform designed to empower real estate investors with the tools, data, and connections they need to succeed. From market research and analysis to community building and education, Revestor strives to simplify the complexities of real estate investing and provide a centralized hub for all things property investment. Be sure to check out the link in the description below for more information.